Hey friend, this is Subhash here and welcome to the I am busy review. And basically, I'm going to give you a full depth review about new product called I am busy. So inside you have I have a members area, and I will give you full depth about this product. Also, I will give you our best custom bonuses with this product. Okay, so first of all, what is this product? So basically, if you know about membership area, then you can see it is a cloud based app that create 100% done for you course membership style site using others people content videos that you can legally monetize that lead sales and commissions. So basically this software give you authority to create a membership site and you can sell like your own price. Also, you don't even need any type of creating videos content. There have everything inbuilt done for you. So if you are an internet marketer, then you know about mostly people making 800K using their membership site. So if you don't have any skills about creating product and creating software, nobody, you can use this software to make a lot of money because they have inbuilt their membership site, their product, and their autoresponder, their everything. Okay, so but before that we are going to explain about our custom bonuses because our custom bonuses more than important, and this our bonuses not available from anyone else. So maybe you can go to watch other people's bonuses, but you will not find like mine bonuses. Okay, so hope sure if you're watching on YouTube, simply click on the link description below, and if you're watching on my page, then click on any red button and you will redirect to the sales page. Okay, and sales page on here you can see on a fully automated 100% done for you affiliate system with inbuilt free traffic and everything. Okay, so what let's explain our bonuses. So my first bonus is internet traffic blueprint. Internet traffic blueprint, one of the best selling courses of mine, where you can learn about how you can generate 12 different way free traffic. Okay, and this is my course. You will get completely for free once you pick up this product using my link. Also you will get, you can see on here, $5 discount. So basically this price is $17, but you will get $5 discount around just $11, which is not huge price, just copy. Okay, and bonus number two, you will get my all product access, so you can list it on inside this software. Okay, inside this software, if you want, then you can sell, you can make a lot of money. And bonus number three is that you will get access, the most important, you will access 17 different best selling informative product together with Jono and his teams. Each product details a briefly of traffic generation methods. So basically Glean launching every single month new products, so you will and you will get all his previous launches product for free, but it is exclusively available with mine link. So if you buy this product, then you will get instantly. Okay, and next bonus number four is that lead generation course. So if you want to know how you can generate lead, then you can get it and access my 500 vendor bonuses. This is really important, so you will get access my PLR product software and everything, and exclusive bonuses about traffic generation. So it is complete traffic generation course, you will get everything on here. And exclusive bonus number one, you will get my live support anywhere about if you facing any problem. And you can see I have started live chat session, so you can just ask anything and I will reply you. And how you can get your bonuses, that is very simple. You can see once you purchase the product, then the thank you page access your purchase, and once you click the affiliate bonus, access affiliate bonus, then you will get my all bonuses. Okay, so simply click on any red button and you will redirect on this page, this sales page, where you will get $5 discount. And let's you can see this is some earning about using this system. And simple three step formula, so you can make a lot of money, so you can take your time before buy. Okay, so let's explain about the product. So first of all, once you purchase this product, then you will get this kind of members area where you will get tutorials about how you can use this software. Okay, so let's minute. Here you can see you will get welcome to and all videos about everything, how you can set up done for you campaigns and everything, join MMO group program. Okay, how to create new campaigns, so everything inside, so you don't need to worry about, because they have everything full functional training. And next option is product. So maybe what you, if you want to mention any product, then you can list it on here, and once you mention after, then you can get this kind of, they look like this website, it is dating niche. So once someone click on here, there's three modules. Okay, how many videos add, it is depend on you. Get I start for free. Okay, and once someone, your customer clicks registered and login, then they will start making they will start learning, and you can sell. Okay, so 12-minute traffic. So let's say if you want to edit this product, click on here. You can see 12-minute traffic, and here product niche MMO and breakthrough and product details, buttons, product by URL. You can put any affiliate link. Okay, so that is very simple process. And let's, if you, by the way, if you want to add some video lessons, some video courses, that is very simple process. You can click on here and you can add your, share your YouTube channels. Okay, and add your new videos, and you can just click on here. You can put your video URL and choose your MMO, weight loss, and your niche choose and video URL on here, and video description, and you can save on here. Okay, and there I have also, if you don't have a video URL, then you can grab from YouTube. That is very simple. You can click search on YouTube. So you need to connect your API. That is very simple. They have a training system. Also just click the campaigns, and you can see this is one campaign. So also you can create many campaigns to many niches. Okay, so weight loss, make money online, let's view this. Okay, if you want to create a new, then you can click on here to create a new campaign. There have also complete training about it. Okay, so you can see on here, this is 9 videos. So what you, once your customer buy, then you will get give this user registration, and they will sign up, and they will making a lot of, you will make a lot of commission. Okay, so this is complete full functional membership site. So you can create a new campaigns, campaign name, and campaigns title, names, and everything on here, and you can upload the photos and site name, and your own. After then you can drop down menus and a lot of option on here, and side by side product category, make money, weight loss, and the best important, the most important, autoresponder like get response, Aweber, Mailchimp, ConvertKit, and everything. So you can create a campaign. If you don't know, you can watch tutorials. And let's talk about done for you. So if you're going to buy uh, upgrade, then you will get this kind of done for you campaigns. Okay, so let's talk about done for you campaign pricing. So you can see starting price just $17, and just auto number one 67 into 47. Okay, and auto number two is done for it is unlimited. So basically there have some limitation about this product, like you can create 2 or 3 campaigns, but once you go with unlimited, then you can create unlimited campaigns. And auto number two is everything done for you, so you don't need to worry. You will get everything, you can see done for you, all a lot of campaigns you will get. So you can connect your autoresponder, and you will make a lot of commission. And then you can see auto number three is that unlimited traffic. If you want unlimited traffic, then you can go with it. And automation, it is depend, you can say put your picture on your sales page and everything. Okay, and license side and everything. So if you I have explained everything. So if you decide to pick up this product, simply click on the link below, and you will get my special bonuses with this amazing product. So my recommendation, it is very best to making a lot of commission without creating your own product. Okay, So go to and finish the checkout. After then you will get our bonuses. Still you have any question, let me know, and I will. I'm happy to give you everything. Okay. So thanks for watching this and see you again.